Hello.
Hello.
Day number 9.
Number 9.
So, what did you think about the chilled Chardonnay yesterday?
I liked it a lot. I'm standing firm on my 8.5 review.
All right. Mine is going up to an 8 because I could really see myself in the middle of summer drinking a really nice crisp Chardonnay. That Chardonnay.
Yeah, I knew you were.
Yeah, you know I was going to change it. So, I actually went from 7 to an 8.
Oh.
So I jumped a whole point. I stand by that though. From rating it as a white, cold, chilled Chardonnay, I could drink that in the summertime.
Agreed.
That's really nice. So I have an 8.
8.5.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's our highest rated wine.
Yeah, that's my highest over all the reds too. So I stand.
We should make a spreadsheet.
Yeah, we
it'll be
will.
a lot easier.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Nice.
8 for me, 8.5 from you from yesterday's wine, day 8. Today, day 9, we said South American red. I say Chile, you say Argentina.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna go into varietal, or are you just gonna say red?
Malbec.
Ooh, that's what I was gonna say. Red blend.
Yeah.
So.
Anything blended, probably.
All right, I will let you do the honors then.
Okay. All right.
There's no wine at all.
Oh my gosh, it's really low in there. Oh my god. Oh, it's a screw top. Ooh, is this gonna be our Japan wine?
Is it?
This looks like a. Oh my god. I think. Oh. Oh, it's Japanese sake. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh.
Ryokō.
You've never had a sake before.
Ever.
Ooh, okay, I'm excited to try this.
All right, hold it up real quick.
Interesting. All right, so we had to switch up the glassware because we're not drinking a wine anymore. I mean, this is a Japanese wine, but I feel like it's not traditional to go in a wine glass.
So we have our improvised sake glasses here.
Yeah. I was like, we could drink it out of a shot glass, but this just feels a
Little more elevated.
Yeah, because I want to be able to sip it.
Okay, so this is interesting.
I was not expecting this.
I think I've only tried sake one other time.
I might have tried sake like one time too, at my friend's birthday party.
I didn't care for it, I don't think.
Yeah, so they have flavored sakes to my knowledge. I don't know if this is going to be flavored. It doesn't say anything on there.
Futsu, maybe, if I'm pronouncing it wrong.
It's our first screw top.
Yeah, so there's a lot of things happening right now. Let's just take a second and appreciate that this wine box just threw us through for a curveball. It's a white wine.
Which we thought it was going to be red.
2 days in a row. Mm-hmm. White wines. Screw top.
Yeah.
Sake, because I wouldn't even imagine. I know it said Japan on the box, but I figured like, oh, maybe they have a red wine or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a sake. Wow, this is interesting.
I know.
So look at this.
I don't know.
Look at that. Screw top.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's
kind
it
of
smell
scary.
Like? I'm very interested.
Weird.
What's your sniffer
I
smell?
don't know. I wanted to say like fermented, like beer maybe. But
right. Oh, that's a lot.
No, it's not.
Okay.
All right,
So I think it's a fermented rice, is what sake is.
So initially, like a kombucha almost, like nose on it. Maybe like.
Interesting. It smells like.
Now I don't know what I'm smelling.
It smells like Pinot Grigio or something. Yeah. Very interesting. But malty.
In the bottle, I like smelled like almost like kombucha, like style. Now that it's out.
Yeah, it's kind of fermented smelling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very interesting.
Okay. Well, I am very excited and like white. Wait, are there different color sakes? There's no like red sake versus white.
No, I think it's all.
Are all sakes supposed to be warm or cold or?
There's cold sakes and then there's warm sakes.
Is this a warm or a cold? I wonder.
Know. Should I look it up?
No, we'll take a sip first and see.
It doesn't say on the back anything.
No, don't read it yet.
Yeah, but it doesn't say anything.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna explore this wine.
Okay.
Cheers. to our first sake. Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Very interesting. It's not what I thought it was gonna taste like. It's
Okay.
It's like watered down white wine.
Yes. Okay, I was just gonna say it's almost as if you were drinking water.
Yeah.
With like a hint of like Pinot Grigio. So if you filled a wine glass with ice cubes and poured a splash of Pinot Grigio in there, I feel like that would be what this tastes like. Maybe with like a little malty end to it.
Yeah, but it has like a vodka-y, like kind of like
like a grainy,
alcoholish
really
flavor to it, doesn't it?
I can smell it smells very boozy now. Now that it's in the glass, it's very boozy.
What's the alcohol on this? 13.5 alcohol by volume.
Really?
So this is interesting. I have no comments on like a sake. I've never never like drank sake. We don't order that when we go to sushi or whatever.
No.
But it says premium Japanese sake. And then it says grade Futsu shu, which I guess there's different grades. So should I look that up?
Yeah, here, let me see
Futsu
this.
shu, and then prefecture is Kyoto.
Oh.
So from Kyoto.
It's from Kyoto, yeah.
Prefecture? Is that what this is?
Prefecture, yeah.
Prefecture?
I hope.
Okay, what was the grade? Sake.
Sake grade FUT
Yeah.
SU hyphen SHU.
SHU?
Yeah.
Futsu shu? Futsu shu is a term for ordinary non-premium sake. It's interesting.
Counterintuitive.
Right, it says premium sake. Represents about 75 to 80% of sake produced. It is not a legally regulated grade, meaning brewers can add neutral distilled alcohol, sugar, and other additives to keep the cost down. As a result, Futushu varies widely in flavor and color and is generally considered accessible and affordable for everyday drinking sake. It can be served warm or chilled, making it a versatile sake.
I wonder if this cold would be better.
I don't.
Doesn't have any, has no flavor. So here, I'm going to read this real quick.
Yeah.
On the back it says, the profile is orange marmalade, cantaloupe, and sandalwood. And I'm with you. I'm tasting that like spirity. It's almost like grain alcohol, like a hint of grain alcohol.
So I think sake is rice.
It is rice
fermented
wine, right?
Rice wine, yeah.
So I just don't know if I like.
What is sake? Sake is a Japanese alcoholic beverage made from fermented rice, yeast, water, and a mold called koji.
Oh, koji.
Yeah.
Okay.
They make porridge out of that.
Yeah. I'm not tasting orange marmalade at all. I'm not tasting cantaloupe. I don't even smell any of these flavors.
It's a very interesting.
And I don't know if I would know what sandalwood tastes like.
Yeah.
I feel like that's like a cologne.
Right?
Yeah. But that's interesting that.
I don't think I like it, if I'm being honest.
Honestly.
This is kind of like a first. We're just kind of discovering this right now. Because we don't drink this normally, so I kind of have no...
So what I will say is, if anybody knows a good sake or a good starting sake, please let us know below so that maybe we can research that or try that. I think that would be like a cool follow-up, because for my first real time tasting sake, or like trying to taste sake to understand it, I don't know how I feel about it.
Agreed. We do go to sushi a lot. We just never tend to order sake. We usually have like a cocktail or something, but maybe we can ask for the recommendation next time we go.
But if anybody watching this has a recommendation, let us know, because I would be interested to try it, maybe explore it a little bit more.
Agreed, yeah.
I do think that this is interesting that this says premium Japanese sake, and then the grade is not premium. So how can you say that something's premium, but then it's not a premium beverage?
Right.
Do you want to scan this and see what the website
Yeah.
has to say about it? Because and then I don't know if it's fair to even rate it, honestly. I think this is going to be my
Least favorite.
Well, I'm not sold. I would really want to like it because I think it's cool and interesting, and like we do eat a lot of sushi, so like it would be cool to have something that we would enjoy.
Exquisite blend that captivates the senses with its unique flavor profile. This exceptional sake offers vibrant nose of orange marmalade, imparting a refreshing citrus essence, while the subtle sweetness of cantaloupe adds a delightfully fruity dimension. This year, we are once again excited to include a sake as a unique addition to our annual wine advent calendar, bringing a touch of Japanese tradition and craftsmanship to your festive celebrations. Sake, which is rich in history and diverse flavor profiles, offers a delightful contrast to the more familiar wines, enhancing an overall experience for adventures of the palate. By including sake, we aim to provide an opportunity for our customers to explore and appreciate this refined beverage, expanding their horizons and adding an element of surprise to their holiday journey, which I agree. I was shocked when we pulled this out.
Right. But I also wonder, like, because I don't taste any of the things that it's saying.
I just don't think we're used to drinking a sake.
Like, or could it be bad? Like, could it be spoiled if it's not, like, you know how, like, you have a wine that's has, you know.
I have no clue.
Has gone, like, to vinegar?
Goes with sushi, cheese plate, Asian cuisine, roasted duck, citrus salad, grilled seafoods.
I want to like this.
Yeah,
It's very grain, like, it is.
Yeasty.
It's almost like you're drinking, like you said, like
Rice
vodka.
water, like if you made a vodka out of rice.
Yeah.
I could imagine this is what it would taste like, which
Probably not
it's
a bad
fermented
thing.
rice.
Right. Not a bad thing.
I don't love it.
I think we should chill it. I think we should chill it and try it cold and see if that does anything to the flavor profile.
Yeah.
I feel like it won't, but I also don't think that it's fair to rate this because I don't, like, my rating's not going to be great, but that doesn't mean that because I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I don't like it.
But based on flavor, I mean, like, maybe someone else doesn't know about sake either, but they buy this advent calendar. What should they expect? I don't know. I think it's interesting.
Yeah. I'm not tasting anything that it's saying.
Yeah.
It tastes kind of boozy. It tastes like
Piece of paper.
watered down. What, you're going to rate it?
Yeah.
Oh, right behind you.
You have to rate it something.
Okay.
Okay.
So, we are going to actually rate this wine.
You can't write anything on there.
Don't look at my stuff. All right, ready?
Okay, go. Yeah, 3.
Okay, but this is out of pure ignorance, and I don't know how I'm supposed to enjoy sake. I don't know how it's supposed to taste to me. This literally is like my first time ever really even thinking about what I'm drinking when it comes to sake. I've had it one other time years ago. I didn't care for it then, but I also wasn't really even into wine at that point. Like I didn't really know what I was doing. So to really have this be my first time, I give it a 3 just because I don't care for how it tastes. This is just off of how it's reflecting to me. This could be a great sake. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So I hope that if somebody does like this, or like somebody has, hey, start with this sake, I would be more than happy to like try that. Maybe try it warm, try it cold. However, we are gonna chill this though. And see.
Feels like the natural thing to do. I feel like drinking. So, fun fact about both of us: we don't like warm beverages.
Right.
We don't like hot coffee. We don't like really warm tea. I mean, you'll have tea once in a while.
Yeah.
But to drink like a warm alcoholic beverage seems like we wouldn't enjoy that. Just seems like wouldn't be up our alley.
I'll drink a hot coffee if I need to, but I prefer like an iced coffee or
absolutely
iced beverages. So intuition says put this in the fridge, try it cold, maybe it changes the flavor. I think of like drinking something neat, like a like an alcohol, like a bourbon or something neat, or a
Yeah.
tequila neat, you put it on an ice cube, it changes how it tastes.
Definitely.
Like, so I wonder if chilling it down would be worthwhile. So we will do that.
Yeah.
We'll get that. It's exciting though to have this as day. Sorry, I probably.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
No, yeah. I think it's exciting, and like I was most excited about this, and even though maybe I don't like the flavor of it, it was exciting to open.
Yeah, it's
and
cool.
realize we have a sake because we don't drink that. And I think that can apply to any new type of wine.
Right.
I was excited to try the new varietals that I've never heard of. So
Right.
yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
What do you think it's tomorrow now? Now this throws
It really does throw a wrench in our
Yeah.
predictions here because it's been going red, white, red, white, red, white, and now we have white, white.
Yeah. I'm gonna say red tomorrow.
It's a fair assumption.
I say red from Chile again.
Red from South Africa.
Okay. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Just gonna throw a random one in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Nice. Cheers.
Cheers. I have one little sip.